Today we are evaluating a number properties problem. If a is an odd integer and b is an even integer, which of the given expressions must be an odd integer? We will substitute the test values a equals 3 and b equals 4 into each option to find the correct answer. Let's first evaluate option A, which is 3b. Substitute b with our test value of 4. 3 times 4 equals 12. Since 12 is an even integer, option A is incorrect. Moving on to option B, which is a plus 3. Substitute a with our test value of 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. And again, since 6 is an even integer, option B is also incorrect. Option C, which is a plus 2b. Substitute a with 3 and b with 4. According to the order of operations, let's multiply 2 by 4 first to get 8. And then we add 3 to 8, which equals 11. Since 11 is an odd integer, option C is our correct answer. But just for verification, let's evaluate option D, which is 2a plus b. Substitute a with 3 and b with 4. Multiply 2 by 3 first to get 6, and add 4 to 6, which equals 10. And again, since 10 is an even integer, option D is incorrect. So this result is supported by general number property rules. Multiplying any integer by an even coefficient like 2 always results in an even integer. Adding an odd integer, a, to an even integer like 2b always results in an odd integer. This mathematically guarantees that option C is always odd, regardless of the integers chosen.